They say that only legends know the real power of meditation. But you don't have to be a legend to reap the benefits of it. Now, it doesn't matter whether you are an athlete looking to gain that competitive edge, an executive trying to make better decisions, or just someone who wants to find inner peace. Meditation can be that secret weapon. But here's the catch. We often think we know how to meditate. But are we really doing it right? And why do so many people give up on their practice? Well, they give up because they don't see results, and they don't see results because they don't trust the process. Meditation isn't about clearing your mind completely, but rather learning to observe your thoughts without judgment. It's not a sign of weakness to feel overwhelmed by intrusive thoughts. Even the Buddha himself had to deal with them. In fact, he was once tempted by a Mara, the personification of evil, during his meditation under the Bodhi tree. But our distractions are often more subtle. They come in the form of negative self-talk, worries about the future, or regrets about the past. But every time we give in to these thoughts, we weaken our resolve and let Mara win. Instead, we must learn to acknowledge these thoughts without judgment and gently guide our attention back to the present moment. Just like a skilled captain navigates their ship through stormy seas, we too can learn to navigate the stormy seas of our minds. With practice, patience, and an unwavering commitment to our inner journey. Welcome back to Focus Area. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's been part of human culture for centuries, yet still holds many secrets: meditation. So if you're ready to unlock the power within you, let's get started. Now imagine this. You're sitting in a quiet room, eyes closed, trying to focus on your breath. You feel calm and centered until suddenly your mind wanders. Thoughts about unfinished projects, arguments you had yesterday, what to cook for dinner tonight, they all rush in, making a mess of your peaceful state. You might even start questioning yourself. Am I doing this right? Is everyone else finding inner peace while I am over here having a mental turd on my meditation cushion? If that sounds like you, take a deep breath. You are not alone. Wandering minds are as common as sunrise and sunset. The key is to recognize these mental gymnastics without judgment. Imagine your mind is a playful monkey swinging from branch to branch. Your job is not to scold the monkey, but to remind it to come back to the present moment. As you become more aware of your thoughts, you will gradually regain control over your mind. It's like taming a wild horse. At first, it bucks and kicks, but with consistent training, it eventually learns to follow your lead. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with just one step. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories. Over time, you'll find that your meditation practice becomes deeper and more fulfilling. Okay, so let's break down the basics of meditation. First off, find a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. It could be in your bedroom, in a park, or even in your backyard. It doesn't really matter as long as you feel comfortable and at ease. Next, find a position that works for you. You can sit on a cushion, chair, or even lie down. The most important thing is to maintain a good posture. You don't want to be slouched over or lying flat. Aim for a position that keeps your spine straight. Now set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes. Start with a shorter duration and gradually increase it as your practice deepens. What is the point of forcing yourself into a 30-minute meditation session when you are still getting used to it, right? And finally, close your eyes and focus on your breath. Pay attention to the sensation of each inhale and exhale, and let your thoughts drift by like clouds in the sky. Next, let's talk about some effective meditation techniques. First up, we have the breath awareness meditation. This technique is all about focusing your attention on your breath. Notice the sensation of each inhale and exhale without trying to change or control it. Your breath is your anchor to the present moment. Whenever your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breathing. Now, let's explore another powerful technique: body scan meditation. This method involves bringing your awareness to different parts of your body, noticing any sensations without judgment. Start from the top of your head and slowly scan your body. moving down to your toes. This technique helps you cultivate a deep sense of body awareness and relaxation. Next, we have loving kindness meditation. This practice is about cultivating feelings of love and compassion towards yourself and others. Start by sending loving thoughts to yourself and gradually expand it to include others. Repeat phrases like, "May I be happy," "May I be well," "May I live with ease," and extend these wishes to all beings. And finally, let's discuss walking meditation. This technique combines mindfulness with movement. Find a peaceful place outdoors and start walking slowly. Pay attention to the sensations of each step, the feeling of the sun on your skin, and the sounds around you. Walking meditation is perfect for those who find it challenging to sit still. There you have it, a crash course on meditation. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole ocean of meditation techniques and practices waiting for you to explore. The key is to find what resonates with you and commit to it regularly. Make meditation a part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth or taking a shower. Consistency is crucial for reaping the full benefits of meditation. Treat it as an investment in your well-being. Just as you wouldn't expect to become fluent in a language after a single lesson, don't expect instant mastery in meditation. It takes time and dedication to develop a deep practice. Stay committed and trust the process. Over time, you'll notice profound changes in your life. Meditation isn't a quick fix, but a lifelong journey. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and above all, be patient with yourself. Meditation has been a part of human culture for thousands of years, but it wasn't until recently that science caught up to show us the way. Doctors now prescribe it for stress reduction. CEOs swear by it to make better decisions, and athletes use it to gain a competitive edge. No, you don't need a fancy degree or years of training to reap the benefits. But like anything worth doing, it does require some effort and practice. Think of it as investing in yourself, your most valuable asset. Now here's the good news. You don't have to go it alone. At Focus Area, we believe that everyone deserves to reach their full potential. That's why we've created a supportive community where like-minded individuals come together to learn, grow, and thrive. Join our guided meditations, participate in workshops, and connect with others on the same journey as you. Remember, you are not alone. We're all in this together. So if you're ready to take the next step on your personal growth journey, hit that subscribe button and join our vibrant community today. Meditation has been my personal game changer. I've experienced firsthand how it can transform your life. When you invest in your inner journey, the outer world follows suit. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Together, we can unlock the doors to a more focused, balanced, and fulfilling life. Hey, did you know that 80% of people who start watching videos like this never come back? Why? Because they don't subscribe. So if you want to continue learning with us, hit the subscribe button right now. Don't miss out on our latest videos and join our awesome community. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our new videos and be part of our growing family. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps support our channel and allows us to reach more people with our message. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.